the OnePlus 9. Now, this time they took us completely by surprise with the kind of things they announced and an incredible launch event that they actually had. So many different things. I'll talk to you a little bit about that also. But first, the phones. So there's OnePlus 9, there's OnePlus 9 Pro, and there's OnePlus 9R, a completely different kind of a package phone at a very, very aggressive price. So that phone also on the show very, very soon. But I want to talk to you about some of the big changes. So first and foremost, these are very nice looking phones. OnePlus has really taken things forward. I love this grey with a gradient that moves on to a darker grey. This very nice shimmer. It is a fingerprint magnet in every which way, but I'd rather have my fingerprints making it a mess. But at least that phone itself is absolutely stunning. This one is. So nice, slim, good battery life. Lots of things I'll talk to you about, but I'm going to talk to you first about the camera technology, because this is where things dramatically change. Now, I am going to tell you that, OnePlus has always done great phones and good cameras, but never great cameras. And that changes forever now. They've collaborated with Hasselblad. They've brought in their optics, their technology into their phones. Let's take a look. We're going to be exploring these phones for the next few weeks, but right now, I'm going to take you through a very quick look.
It's been a long way to the top, but OnePlus has made it clear that its ambitions are stretched far beyond the flagship killer category that it created with the OnePlus One. The phones have had a constant upward trajectory in price, but the experience, especially cameras, have always struggled to match the best of the competition. So can a renewed focus on polish, a long-term partnership with a legendary camera manufacturer, and clean operating system finally bridge that gap? Let's find out in a review of the OnePlus 9 series. The OnePlus 9 Pro impresses with its design simplicity. The borderless philosophy is very visible here in the clean lines, minimal gradients, and even the camera layout. In the morning mist color we have on hand, the Gorilla Glass 5 back was very fingerprint prone. The phone will however be available in a matte black as well as a new pine green color. The button and port selection will be familiar to anyone who has used a OnePlus phone before. The OnePlus 9 Pro continues the tradition of including an alert slider to toggle various phone profiles. The power button and volume rocker both offer excellent feedback. No complaints there. And yes, the OnePlus 9 Pro has an IP68 rating too. Over at the front, OnePlus has really upped the ante when it comes to the display. The 120Hz HDR10 compatible AMOLED screens of the LTPO variety. This should mean lower battery consumption, but more importantly, the display is best in class with some of the most accurate color reproduction. Peak brightness levels of 1300 nits ensure that the screen is visible even under direct sunlight. The fast refresh rate meanwhile makes interface elements shine with buttery smooth navigation. The buttery smooth navigation is achieved in no small part thanks to the spanking new Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. This is Qualcomm's latest and greatest, and with up to 12 GB of RAM, performance is right up there with the best of Android smartphones. Predictably, we noticed no lag or struggles anywhere. In our test, games like Call of Duty run perfectly smooth, and you should be able to max out the graphics on any game you throw at the phone. The smoothness of the interface is also helped by Oxygen OS. The company's Android 11 based skin is polished to a sheen with no bloat and a few quality of life additions. Like always, there's no ads or notification spam here. Coming to the cameras, OnePlus has made a big deal of its multi-year partnership with the iconic camera manufacturer Hasselblad. Now, Hasselblad might have sent the first camera to the moon, but can it be the first to fix OnePlus's recurring camera woes? Short answer, yes, for the most part. The primary camera is a custom-made 48 megapixel sensor that has excellent color accuracy. The camera nails exposure and white balance every time. Elsewhere, it's the 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera that truly shines. Using a new free-form lens, the company claims to have resolved distortion in wide-angle images. In our test, we found the claims to be true. There is significantly lower distortion at the center of images, and the high resolution ensures that images remain richly detailed. This is one of the best ultra-wide cameras around. The 8 megapixel telephoto sensor, however, is less so. The 3.3x zoom disappoints both in quantity and quality. Images look a bit soft here, and most of the competition offers much higher levels of zoom. Finally, there's a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portraits, and it does a pretty good job at edge detection. The OnePlus 9 Pro uses the ultra-wide camera for macro shots, which lets you get very high resolution close-ups. The end results are excellent. And if you like selfies, the 16 megapixel front-facing camera does the trick. though we found noise levels to be on the higher side. Keeping the phone powered on all day is a 4500 mAh battery. It's not the largest in the segment and the battery life reflects that. The phone manages a full day of use, but just about. You will definitely be looking for a charger at the end of the day. Charging, however, is incredibly fast at 65 watts. In fact, the phone can be fully charged in less than half an hour. Even more special is the wireless charging, which at 50 watt is one of the fastest in the business. A full charge takes 40 minutes. All those features mean that the OnePlus 9 Pro is no longer a flagship killer, but a flagship in its own right. The pricing too reflects that, and the starting price of $64,999 might come as a shock to some. The OnePlus 9 Pro, while not perfect, gets within spitting distance of being one of the best flagships around and is an excellent option if you are in the market for a new high-end Android phone. But if you want to spend less while getting much of the same experience, OnePlus has the OnePlus 9 for you. The phone keeps much of the same feature set, including the processor, battery capacity and even the 65 watt wired charging, but drops wireless charging. The lack of IP rating is also quite a bummer. Elsewhere, the primary camera drops the new sensor and image quality gets a noticeable downgrade. The display size is also smaller at 6.5 inches compared to the Pro's 6.7 inches. And finally, instead of an aluminum frame, you get a plastic frame, which definitely makes the phone feel less premium. The OnePlus 9 starts at 49,999 rupees for the 8GB 128GB variant.